Yo, what's up, guys? I hope I didn't blow the mic right there. But this video is about winning products research. I'm going to show you how I found all those products in the last 5 winning product videos and a little bit of Facebook marketing as well. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I do is I look at the news. I use qz.com and this gives me a basic breakdown of business. I'm looking at who's going to release their earnings, if anybody's up for IPO, for example, Airbnb this week, if you're interested in stocks. And it also reminds me about events coming up, like Halloween or Father's Day, which will help me to target to those certain events. I then take a look at DropPoint. DropPoint basically just shows you the winning AliExpress products and a live Facebook ads feed. Its main benefit is the customization that it brings. You can filter through the last seen ads, the last added ads, the most viewed ads, the most liked, the most commented, the most shared, and you can look at when these things came out. So in the last week, today, in the last month, and across the best of all time. So there's many different approaches that you can bring here, but what's going to happen is as you delve in, you're going to be able to delve out. The first thing I'd recommend you do is to get organized. Get a Google Doc going and start taking notes. To get warmed up, I just scroll through the live advertisement filter until I see something that I'm interested in. That's a good way to start, really, I find. So let's take a look at this, Ab Shop. So this LED strip that I found right here, it's basically an LED strip, which we've probably all seen on AliExpress. They're about $3 USD on AliExpress. But what these people are doing is they are creating a need through their advertisement. So they're calling it door anti-collision warning light. They're basically just picking red and white LED strips, and then you just tape it to your door so that when you open it, cyclists or people walking or other cars aren't gonna crash into you, which is cool. So basically the workflow here is you click on the video on DropPoint. They're gonna have a few backups here. You just go to their video and you can follow through to the dropshipping store. So they're selling these for $18.88, which is insane because they're $3 on AliExpress. So that is a hell of a good profit margin. But that is for another video. So this is when we can start delving into the program. This is when you can type in keywords and have a look at other brands that are using this product. This is going to give you a good understanding of how saturated it is. So I've just typed in LED strip in the keywords tab on the top right, and we can see that this is hella saturated. There seems to be 2 ways people are approaching this product. They're just selling it as is with the wheel and the lights, and then other people are promoting a need. They're putting it behind TVs, under bed, and yeah, it's just all over the house, which is cool. So when I'm looking at these products, I'm looking at it through my own lens of functionality, because you really need to understand where this product sits within people's lives.
What do you want? What do you want?
Is it a want or a need? Take the time to try and understand if this is a gimmick. Is it a leisure or luxury or a toy item? A product's ability to help people will siphon out a lot of people who look at your ads. So understanding this distinction is going to give you more conversion. What I mean by this is a want item might earn you a higher profit margin, but less people will engage with it. When people see a need item, they feel less guilty about making a purchase. So the next step in the DropPoint workflow for finding winning products is to look at the comments on other people's ads. From looking at DropPoint, I can see that this product is pretty saturated, so I'm not going to be starting to sell it just yet. One thing I could do if I know that something is saturated is I can try and find a way to develop the product and talk to suppliers through Alibaba. If you can mix and match products together to fulfill a need, then you're on the path to success. But if you're just going to throw out an LED light just like everybody else is, then you're probably wasting your time. However, you should give it a go. You should test products and see how your own personal marketing skills can compete with everybody else. But for now, we're just going to look at who is interacting with this LED advert. So if the first 3 comments on the video, 2 of those people have cars in their profile picture. So start organizing the interests on your Google Doc. Go deeper than just car and put down things like BMW or Toyota Supra. And then you can even find pages on Facebook that are in this niche. For example, last week when I was showing you guys the bike rack that I found on AliExpress, I took a few moments to find pages on Facebook that are relevant to biking. I pretty quickly found Red Bull Bike, which had 2.2 million likes, and then you can start targeting to those people. You know, people who have liked the Red Bull Bike page, they're already expressing an interest in the bicycle niche, so they're far more likely to convert for a product to do with bicycle. Now, while we're talking about Facebook, we need to understand the algorithm a little bit. Facebook rewards organic reach posts that promote discussion. This is why videos have become so popular on Facebook, because they drive comments much more than any other post type. Facebook will actually downrank posts that are tag or comment baiting, where you say things like, comment below or tag your friend. And it's definitely going to downrank you if you try and move people off the site. So Facebook's going to reward you if you can keep people on the site, which is why uploading a video to Facebook is going to be more beneficial to you than uploading external link. In future videos though, we'll do a full breakdown of Facebook ads and Facebook targeting. So if you want to subscribe and hit the bell, then maybe you can see some of the future videos. So what I'd recommend you do today is get a subscription to DropPoint, it's $5 a month, and start experimenting. Play around with the different filters and try and see if you can figure out if products are saturated or unsaturated. Then you can go onto Facebook and see what the actual audience is, and then you can do your own targeting. I hope this workflow works for you, and if it does, let us know in the comments below. But whatever happens, I hope you have a good day, and thank you for watching. Take it easy.